Hello YouTube. Welcome to our tutorial. We're going to be working on some Scratch things. I'm here and I'm here with a very special guest. We're going to use code names. I'm going to be called the Dad. And what's your code name?
The Son.
You're the Son. Here, stop touching that. Stop touching it. And don't cough. Okay. All right. Our special guest. Very good at Scratch. And we're going to show you, we came up with this really cool game called
Keep Up.
What?
Keep Up.
It's not Keep Up. What happened to Keepy Uppy?
I ended up just calling it Keep Up.
Why?
I
thought
don't
we
know.
agreed. You're breaking the contract.
I
thought we agreed. Okay, Keep Up. 9. Why is it 9?
Just because that's how many copies they've done.
How come you've done so many copies? Isn't one enough?
I've done just no, because I had to edit it and then save
What's
as
this
copy
Alpha
again.
Spot doing here? Okay, we gotta get rid of that. Okay, well, whatever. 9, 10, yeah. All right, so why don't you show us how it looks?
So
Is it good?
yeah, it's quite
Are you
good.
sure?
It's very simple.
Are you sure?
All you do is you're this paddle here,
Ooh.
and the ball bounces around.
Ooh.
See,
Oh, you missed. Ooh, you missed.
The difficulty bar up there is how you change the difficulty. It changes how big the ball and paddle are and how much the ball and paddle move.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna just interject here.
Mhm.
Okay, so there's this thing called over-explaining. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm just gonna say OE. Okay, OE. Over-explaining. Okay, so OE.
Okay.
All right, just show us how it works.
So you use the mouse to move the paddle around.
Excellent.
And the ball
Wait,
moves
wait, show how
around.
you talked all this thing about difficulty. What is the
So
difficulty? work?
this slider here, you
Ooh.
change it to 100, which
So
doesn't
hard.
quite work, and 99 only bounces twice. I'm
Okay.
not sure.
All right. Okay. They don't need to hear about the flaws there. Okay. Oh.
90.
Oh, you started with a C. Oh, you can't even do it.
Can't even do
Can't even do
90
1,
is really
2.
hard.
Oh my gosh, 3.
You
You can't even do 4. It's so sad.
90 is really hard. It bounces loads, and they're both
Wow.
really small.
Excellent.
But it
Excellent.
goes through in the third one for some reason.
Excellent. Okay.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's enough. Stop.
Yeah,
There's a couple of flaws, aren't
Okay.
there? Okay.
Great.
Great. Okay. So
we want
we want to make this kind of just a general programming tutorial, anyways. And thanks to my special guest. Okay. So why don't we get started and just we're gonna do one thing. Let's look at our list. Can we look at our list?
Yeah.
Can we look at our list? Can we look at our list? Can we look at the list?
Yeah.
The list?
Yeah.
Is that the list?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
First of all,
what
what
is
difficulty?
difficulty?
Hmm?
My bad spelling.
No.
It's fine.
You're okay.
Don't worry about it.
All right.
All right. So
Let's see
what we got. What do we got on our list?
So we've got simple animation,
Yep.
boundary detection,
Yep.
Yep.
acceleration,
Ooh.
points.
What are points?
What are points?
It's
Like Tesco points.
No, it's this.
Or like
Up here?
for our American listeners, what do they have? Frequent flyer points? Have Costco points? Do we have Costco points yet?
It's
I don't know.
this up here.
Lucky's
This
points?
counts how many bounces you got, and it's called the points.
Right. Okay. And then what else? Oh, right. The points. What's a Pico?
Pico, I got for Christmas. I got this thing called a Pico board.
Okay.
It's basically just board that plugs into Scratch,
Okay.
and
Already
you can
OE.
use
Okay.
it
Okay.
to
Already
help with
OE.
Scratch. And
I'm
random,
just kidding.
ran-
Okay.
random is where the ball, when it hits the paddle, it will move randomly to left to right, to
Excellent.
left or right.
Yeah, those sound like pretty interesting things to do, to learn about, huh? And what's follow bounce?
I don't
That's like a new
remember.
new type of music, the follow bounce music.
What
the
was
new
follow
thing?
bounce? I forget.
Don't know actually. And then what's difficulty?
Difficulty is the slider I've already shown you. It can
Ah,
change the difficulty to
excellent.
0, which is just that it'll keep going back and forth and it will never move.
Excellent. Well, we got lots to do, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
So can we start? Can we start teaching them stuff?
Yeah.
Can you stop playing?
Yeah.
Settle down. Okay. So why don't we start first? So and then you made it public, right?
Yeah,
So you can save?
I've shared this, so
Okay.
if you want to play it
Why is
ever,
it 10?
just search up Keep Up 9.
Okay. All right. I like Keepy Uppy better. Can we call it Keepy Uppy?
Yeah.
Can we agree? No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. Okay. So why don't we start? Can you open two things at the same time?
Open 2 projects.
Open another tab and go to Scratch. Okay, and then go to My Stuff.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Can you go to a new one? Let's get a new project. Let's just start a blank new project so we can keep them open at the same time, see what's
Yeah.
going on. Okay. Okay. And maybe we can call this Keepy Uppy or Keep Up Tutorial.
Yep.
Excellent. Okay. Okay, get rid of that cat. Why do we always have the cat?
It just starts with.
Okay. Excellent. Just say TUT. Keep up toot. We'll change the name later. All right.
Yeah.
So why don't we start with the paddle? Okay, let's teach the folks how to actually make a paddle. Okay, and make it follow your mouse.
So this
Okay,
bit.
wait. Go to the new one.
Oh yeah, the new one.
You gotta teach them on the new one. Okay, how come it's still untitled? You gotta save.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're okay. Fine. Yeah,
Save now.
Yeah, save now. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, show us. Teach us. How do we make a paddle?
To make a paddle, it's
How do
very
we make a
simple.
paddle? Okay, it's simple.
You go into.
Okay, wait. You're going too fast. You click that little paintbrush. What does that mean?
That's what I'm about to explain.
Okay, but you go back to the paintbrush. You just clicked it. Wait, go back to the paintbrush.
So
Oh, okay.
if you go,
Paint new sprite. Okay.
you go
so
to
the
here,
paintbrush, paint new
and
sprite.
this
Yeah,
is
excellent.
Paint New Sprite.
Uh-huh.
So basically,
You go to costumes.
you've got and costumes.
Okay.
Yeah, you've
Costumes
got.
tab. There's
Yeah.
a tab. It's called costumes.
Yeah.
Starts with a C.
Yeah.
All right.
It
Okay.
is.
So we're gonna draw a paddle.
So whatever color you want.
Okay, but wait. Okay.
This is just a brush.
Brush.
So
Okay, but we're not doing
it's
brush.
just
No, don't
squiggly.
tell us about the brush. don't even know about the
line it just
And
draws
then just
the line.
undoed. Okay.
But
You're going too fast. Settle down.
this is what you want.
Okay, so you select the rectangle. Good.
And then whatever color you want, I'm just gonna go with red for now.
Okay, but you made a red line, but you didn't make a red fill. How do you make a red fill?
Oh
You
yeah,
click on the
if
fill.
you've got that, you've got
Click
your
on the
fill
Yeah,
thing.
good man.
Or
and then you
if
click one of the colors.
yeah, and then
Okay.
you click a color, and this is how
Ah.
thick you want your thing to be, but it
Okay.
doesn't matter too much
You're doing it square, right?
because you're making a square and you can just drag it down.
Okay. All
So
right.
I'm gonna make it about that size.
Okay, but we don't want it so high up, do we?
No, I think that's about right.
Okay, well, let's see. Show. Okay. You click off. It appears on your screen. Does it appear on your screen?
You have to click off on the white thing, and it will appear on
Oh,
your
that's
screen.
good, huh?
Yeah,
That's kind of big, though, isn't it?
yeah.
Okay. So are you going to redraw it or erase it, or what are you going to do?
You can just
Undo.
undo. It's
Okay,
the easiest
excellent.
thing, and it'll get
Okay.
rid of it.
Okay, so
Very
we're going to
good.
draw another rectangle. About that. Oh, that's too fat. Too high. Too high, I think. No? Okay.
Yeah, no, that's about right.
That's about right?
Yeah,
Excellent.
and to
Okay.
make it follow your mouth, it's pretty simple. You just
Okay, wait. Hold on. Time out. You're going too fast. Settle down, young man.
yeah,
Settle down, the sun.
yeah.
Okay, so go back to costumes. Can we explain to them that there are these tabs? This might be like beginners. I don't know. They might know how to do Scratch. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you click on the scripts tab, right?
Yep.
And explain to us what the scripts are about.
So this is basically you've got all these little tabs themselves, and they've got these bricks.
No, but what do scripts do?
They've got these bricks, and these are all your codes. So this little when green flag clicked is
So what are
just
some examples
when
of what a
click that
script could
start.
do for your thing? Give me
So
some examples, just anything.
you could make it shoot a little bullet out, or
Right.
you can make it duplicate itself. You can
can
make
make
it move,
Change its shape or size or
change
color.
it safe,
Okay,
shape,
so you
size,
it's just
and color.
the scripts do stuff to the thing, to the
Yes,
sprite. Okay.
yeah.
All right. So now what are we trying to do? Explain
You
to
want
us.
to make it move with the mouse.
Move with the mouse. So when you move your mouse, the little thing moves.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay.
So how you do that is you basically get one of
Okay, wait,
these-
hold on. One step at a time. Settle down, young man. Okay, so you're in the events screen or whatever it's called?
Yeah, the
okay,
events in the events
Okay,
tab.
okay. What do events mean? What are they?
Events it means the event that makes something happen. So
Right. So when you do something, something else happens.
yeah.
Okay, so what's up with the green flag?
So the green flag is this little thing. It's what you press when you're starting a game. Or
So basically, this is when you say when green flag click is when you start. That's what happens when you start the game.
yeah.
Okay, so how are we going? Then what do we want to do?
So you want to press.
Wait.
to go into
You gotta
control.
tell them control. Okay.
So you
What
want
are
to go into
controls?
the
Hold on.
control tab.
We're gonna be thorough, like be very thorough.
So the control. The control
Complete.
tab.
Okay.
The
What are
control
controls?
tabs are they're just like making like wait 1 second. It's just telling it to wait. It's just
Wait. Let me guess. The things in the control thing controls things.
Yeah.
Yeah? Would that be
Yeah.
a good way of talking about it? It actually controls because it's called control.
a little bit. It's like
Oh,
this
okay.
forever loop.
It's not control?
It's a little bit of control. This forever
Then
loop,
why do they call it
or
control?
it tells
Why don't they call it a little bit control?
the, it tells
Huh?
tells like the rest of the script, so you can put other bricks like.
I'm gonna write
like
the guys
that.
at MIT. Dear MIT, could you rename your control section a little bit control? Okay. Oh, go ahead.
It
sorry.
tells you like this forever loop,
Uh-huh.
which we're going to use.
Okay.
Is it tells you that everything inside of that
Okay.
will go on forever.
Forever's a really long time.
Well, until you press this red stop button.
Okay. Well, why can't they call it forever until you press the red stop button? Just
I
kidding.
don't know.
All right. Go ahead. I'm just kidding. I'm being
So these are
being
and this
disruptive.
wait until
Very
you would put
disruptive.
something in.
very
so,
disruptive.
so you'd say.
Okay. You don't have to
like,
explain them all. Okay. So we're gonna use the forever loop. Basically, when we click it, we want that to just keep going on.
Yeah.
It says forever, but basically, forever is a really long time. So it's just their way of saying it. It just goes on and on until you stop the game, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So anything we put in the forever little bit will just keep going on. What if we didn't put the forever in?
Then it would only go to the mouse once, and then it would just
That's
stay
right.
at that position.
Right. Okay. All right. So if we just put something like an action after when red green flag clicked, then it'll only just do it once.
Yeah.
Whereas forever will just keep doing it over and over again.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. It's kind of like a loop or something like that, isn't it? Kinda
Yeah.
Like a loop.
It's
You
like
just repeat
it's a
everything.
lot of people call it the forever loop.
The forever loop. All right. Excellent. So then what are we gonna do?
So to make it follow your mouse, you
All
want to
right.
go into motion,
Okay. Motion.
and you want to.
Motion. What does that mean? What are things?
Motion is like making it move.
Okay. It's
So
like
you
motion.
want. Yeah.
This is actually moving things. Motion.
Yeah. You want to
Okay.
go to
What?
this, but you want
No,
to.
you don't. You're wrong. What are you doing?
You want to go to
We're
that,
following
and
the
then you
mouse.
put it X.
No, we're following the mouse.
Then-
Oh, right. Oh, okay. Okay. Never mind. Sorry. Correct. Okay. Go back to motion. Sorry. I'm bad. My bad. So bad. Bad dad. Okay. So you're saying go to X and Y. So basically,
Yeah.
it'll go to forever to X26 right now and Y -30.
Yeah.
But you're going to put something else instead of 26, right?
Yeah, I'm
Excellent.
looking for mouse X. No, mouse Y, sorry. But
Okay,
Where
I
was
see.
that?
All right. So it's going to go to whatever X, but you're going to actually... Okay, well, let's do it and then we'll explain it.
Yeah.
Okay?
where was the mouse
It's
X?
down there. It says mouse X. No, you're right. It's sensing.
Oh.
Sensing.
Yeah.
We'll describe that category later, but let's get this done. And you got to go... It starts with the M. Ends with an X. Starts with the
Oh, yeah.
M and ends
There.
with an X. Okay.
You want a mouse X, I think, and put it in the X thing.
Okay.
So
Excellent.
When
Okay,
when
let's start it.
this
Let's
is
start it. Let's
pressed,
find out.
this will go to there.
It's magic. So it follows your mouse X. Okay.
Yeah, and you also
Okay.
this is a little bit
Okay.
for just
Okay.
finishing touches.
What?
You want to in this same place. You want to just above the forever loop. You just want to go to the middle. So
Mm-hmm.
up there and up here in the
Yeah,
corner.
they can't see your finger.
Yeah, I was pointing to it there.
Yeah.
Up there in the corner
What?
is the
Coordinates.
position
Excellent.
of the sprite.
Excellent. Okay.
So you want to put that in the middle,
Okay.
and then
How about the Y position? Does
so
it keep it at -30?
yeah, that will always be at -30.
Do we want to keep it there or we want to move it up?
Yeah, we
Let's
want
give
to
it an
keep it
example of if we change that Y, okay?
So if you were to change this y to from -30, say to 50,
Uh-huh.
it would
Whoa,
go.
it
It would
goes
just
up
move
high.
up.
How nice. Okay. Why don't we
Or
make it like
0.
0, yeah.
Yeah, 0 is actually pretty
Zero's
good.
pretty
We
good.
don't want it to be at
Maybe
the
a little
very
bit more than 0. Okay.
Yeah, maybe 20.
Excellent. Oops. 2 dash. Okay. Excellent. Okay, let's save it. Let's remind folks to save often and always.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. All right. So that's really cool. So now you have your paddle. You're moving it about. Excellent. Is that it? Game
Yeah.
done?
No,
All done?
no, not
Okay.
at all.
We should probably. I don't know. What should we do? Have a commercial or something? No. Okay. Actually, let's have a little pause. So great. Can we make that part 1? Can we make that part 1?
Yeah.
Or do you want to do more for part 1?
Maybe a little bit more for
A little bit
part
more for part 1? Okay.
Yeah.
You heard it, folks. Lucky you get
So
more. Okay.
you
So we got
want-
to move the little paddle. Excellent. So what do we want to do next?
So you want a little bit.
Can we do difficulty?
That's a lot later.
Okay.
And when you
All right.
you want to find about the middle.
Can we
So
do
that's
random?
no.
No? Okay. All right.
You want to find about the middle. So that's
Why?
about because that's where you want it to start. So that's right now it's it's X37 and Y20.
Ah.
So you want to go back to the motion tab up here.
Okay. All right. Okay.
And go to and then
Wait,
just
explain to us what you're doing though.
and get it
Why-
and making it to when you start it,
Okay.
it goes to the middle.
Ah.
So I want to get a go to
Okay.
and
Explain to me, why aren't you putting in the forever loop?
because if I was in the forever loop, it'd
Hmm.
be constantly I'd be trying to move it and then going back. So say I do put it in the forever loop.
Yeah. Okay.
Just say it was X37 and Y20.
Okay.
So if I press start,
Uh huh.
then
You know why? Because it goes to there first and then it repeats. Then it does the mouse X. See?
yeah,
So it goes in order, doesn't it?
yeah.
Okay. But anyways, that's just an example. So let's not confuse folks. So basically, you want it to only happen once when you press the green flag, right?
Yeah.
So that'll happen once when it presses the green flag, and then it'll enter the forever loop, and then it'll always follow your mouse, right?
It's not going there.
Oh, it's not going there because you X37 and Y20. Ah, you know why?
Why?
Oh well. Anyways, you know what? Let's not worry about the position first. Let's
Yeah.
not worry about the initial position. We'll take care of that later, okay? But
Yeah.
you know why? Because it goes right into the forever loop. If you put a little weight there,
Oh yeah.
yeah. But don't worry about that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's take that out. Take that. Good man. All right. Now, how about the basketball? Let's do the basketball.
So for the basketball or whatever type of ball there you want, you could import something which is just you copy and paste a picture from the internet. And
Okay,
then
let's do it. I
if
want to do it.
So if you want to copy and paste
Okay, I wanna do
picture
it.
from the internet,
Yes.
you have to go
Find me a
to
ball.
get a new tab and
Okay.
just search up. Say I'm gonna look up ping pong. These. Oh yeah. Ball.
Okay.
And
no
then
problem.
you go to images.
Okay.
And you'll
Oh,
find
cool.
just maybe whatever ball you want.
Cool.
I'm just gonna go for this simple one here.
Let's do white.
Okay,
We'll see it. Can we
then
get a different color?
yeah,
the
this
blue one?
orange one.
Orange one. Okay, orange one it is.
So
Okay.
you just wait for it to load and then just click and save as image.
Okay.
And then
images,
this
okay.
should come up. and
Okay,
you want-
just go
yeah,
downloads is fine.
You just call it whatever you want.
Yeah. Okay.
Just gonna call it Pong
Okay.
and save. And then you go back to your under Scratch
Okay. Great.
and you want
Okay, wait. Let's do this a bit slow. Okay. So now we're gonna do what? What are we gonna do?
import it into your
Okay.
Scratch.
So how do we do that? What's the first step?
So you go to upload
Sprite from file. Excellent. Okay.
and then you go to your downloads
Yeah.
and then it's right there.
Excellent.
You just click open
Excellent.
and that'll bring
It's
it down.
huge.
Yeah, so that usually happens.
It's
so
huge.
So you just want to go into costumes.
How are you ever gonna
and
miss that?
Up
You
here,
can't miss it. It's impossible.
up here you want to.
Okay, wait. Slow down. So first of all, on the left-hand side where it says sprites, right? Move your little mouse pointer. Tap the sprites. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And then you want to select the little Pong thing, right? It's called
Yeah.
Pong. Yeah. Okay, good man. Okay, so that's selected. What if we selected Sprite 1? What would happen?
It would just go
It
to
wouldn't be
Sprite
right.
1
Okay,
and
so
you
Sprite
got
right.
the effects and all.
Go. Okay, yeah. And then you want to select the costumes tab. Point to it.
Costumes.
Yeah, costumes tab, right? Okay. So go ahead. Your turn now.
First, because it has this big white background,
Yeah.
you probably want to crop it a bit first.
Excellent. Okay, so wait. Hey, wait, settle down.
Yeah.
What is that? Select.
So you want to
You
go
have to.
to
These are
the
tools, right?
Select
You want to
tool,
grab the select tool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
and
okay.
then,
And then do
just
what?
with a left click, you just
Okay.
want to drag it round.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't quite do that right.
Okay.
So I
But you
just
can
wanna-
move. Wait, you can change the thing. Can't
Oh
you?
yeah, you can
you
just
adjust it?
drag it up.
Oh no, it changes the set. Okay. Undo. Okay. Oh, so you have to get the thing right. Undo it again. Ooh.
I think I'm gonna do because it got all weird. I think you can also just
Delete it and
and
re-import
then
it. Okay.
re-import it.
Cool. All right. Cool. Okay. Excellent.
There we go.
Okay.
And you want to go back to the costumes
Yeah.
and bring this over here.
Okay.
And then you've got this choice here, crop. That will get
Excellent,
rid of the
okay.
rest. And then if you want it to make it a little like, oh no, never mind. Keep that there. If you want to even make it smaller, you can do it again. See, it's quite hard to.
Just delete that.
You can make it.
Oh, all right. Okay. Cool. That's all right.
Doesn't
Here.
matter.
You got it. Okay. So, it's still following my mouse. So I guess if you just have to grab it right. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. We kind of cropped it too close, so that's all right. We'll make it like that, and then hit the crop again. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, up
Okay.
in the corner.
Excellent. Okay. So now what?
Now, since you've got that,
Yeah.
you want to grab up here where you've got extra tools. You want to grab this one it's called shrink.
Okay. All right. Okay.
And then it'll change your mouse pointer
Okay.
to this little thing.
Okay.
And just keep until you're happy. Or if you want to get off the sled, you want to just keep clicking the shrink button
Until you got the right
until
size.
you've got your size you're happy
Okay.
with.
Excellent.
That's about good there.
That's nice. I like that. Okay.
Then you wanna
Now,
click on the one again.
the only other thing is, it was kind of obscuring the thing. Can we make one go in the front of the other? Do we know how to do that? I don't even know how to do that. What if you just change order the sprites? Can you drag that sprite? Sprite 1? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now, yeah. So that's on top. Oh, well. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Is it? Yeah.
And there must be a way, but we won't worry about that right now.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's generally the idea, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Great. Now,
Yeah.
we have a ball.
Yeah.
We have a paddle.
Yeah.
What next?
Well, do you want to leave it here for part 1?
Okay. Let's leave it here for part 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So there you go. You have a ball and a paddle. It's not doing anything. It's not very exciting.
No.
But we
not
talked
at
about all the little different categories, didn't we? A little
Yeah.
bit? Give a little bit of information. Showed you how to draw little sprites and what they do.
Yeah.
Make them shrink and grow, yeah?
Yeah.
And how to crop. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
How to import pictures. Wait, what?
One more thing before we leave.
Wait, I thought you said we were going to be done.
Yeah, we are.
I
We're
was
pretty much
summing
done.
up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was summing up.
But there's one more.
Yeah, but wait. I was summing up.
Yeah.
Then I'll have to sum up what you just are telling me now.
Yeah. You can.
Okay, go ahead. What?
So you can there's 2 more options on how to get a sprite. You can either take a picture if you've got like a webcam attached, or you can. This is the Scratch library.
Ooh,
You've
look
got
at that.
all
Oh, they
these
have a ball.
things.
Look at that. Looks like
Yeah,
our ball.
that's why I was gonna go get it from here. But you can also import like that.
No, I like
You've got
what you did. It's
all
cool.
the
Yeah, okay.
you've got a baseball.
You could have a bouncing bat. That'd be cool. A bouncing arrow.
Yeah, you
A
can have
bouncing
all these
1080
things.
hip hop. Can we do a bouncing 1080 hip hop?
No. You've got all these
Or
things in all these
bouncing-
categories.
Anna
Apple.
Ode to Code. What is
No.
Ode to Code?
I
Well,
don't
bouncing
know.
apple might be nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have
Bouncing
all these
car
things.
bug. What's a car bug?
Car bug, I don't know.
Okay. All right. A bouncing case.
So,
would be
but
nice.
that I just wanted to
Bouncing
before we leave, I
butterfly.
just wanted to show you that you can also
Bouncing Casey.
you've got all these
Whoa, there's a lot of them. Look at bouncing G.
you've got all
Bouncing bear
these
too.
sprites too. You can just really easy import from
Bouncing
the
bear
Scratch
too.
library.
Bouncing
Sprite
bat too.
library.
Bouncing beach ball. Okay. Cool. All right. Are we done?
Yeah.
Are we done?
Yeah.
For now? Okay. So we're summing up again. We learned about the different category scripts, costumes, right? How to make costumes.
Yep.
Okay, don't clear your throat. It's not good for the podcast. All right. And then we have our giant sprite paddle, but that's good. You drew that. Cool. And you show how to move it with the mouse. That was really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So X being, so let's just be really let's be really clear. So X, show me which way is X. Since let's just go back and look here. Click on Sprite 1 for me.
Yep.
And then go back to the scripts. Yeah. So it says go to X equals. So that's moving the sprite, right? The sprite 1 to X to mouse X. So which way is X?
X
What it means
is
X.
the horizontal axis.
Right. Okay. So anywhere. All right. Okay. So it's only going to follow your. So I see you're move your mouse up and down. It's
It
not
doesn't
following it
really
up and down. It's only following it left and right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. And then Y is.
Y is a vertical axis.
Right. So it's always going to be Y20, right? And we
Yeah.
showed you how we changed that to like negative or something. I don't like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Thank you, the sun.
You're welcome.
And we'll continue this on in part 2.
Bye.